Hello everyone, welcome to the Mathematics in my channel. When we solve some integrals and some problems, we have to evaluate some values of digamma function. So in this video, I am going to evaluate the value of digamma of 1/3. So I'm going to begin with the integral representation of digamma function. We already discussed about this representation and we already proved. If you like to watch, I will add the link in the description and also make a card. So we know this one is equal to minus gamma. Gamma we know Euler's Mascheroni constant, integral from 0 to 1 minus x to the z over 1 minus x dx. Okay, then here's c plus 1. So I'm going to transform c plus 1 like this. So I'm going to take here z. So we know this one a little bit change. Now integral from 0 to 1 minus x to the, now here c plus 1. So here instead of c we have z minus 1 over 1 minus x dx. Okay, then we want diagram of 1/3. So we are going to plug in 1/3. So diagram of 1/3 is equal to minus gamma plus here integral from 0 to 1 minus here x to the 1/3 minus 1. So we have minus 2 over 3 over 1 minus x, and here we have dx. Okay, then I'm going to take a substitution. Let's take x to the 1/3 is equal to t. Then we know if you isolate the x is equal to t cube. So dx is equal to 3 times t square dt. Well, next we can substitute. So we have minus gamma plus, now boundaries, lower limit and upper limit, also 0 to 1, also 0 to 1, and here 1 minus x to the minus 2 over 3. So we know t to the minus 2, t to the minus 2 over here 1 minus x, x we know t cube, and dx we have 3 times t square dt. Okay, now we can simplify a little bit. So we have here minus gamma plus here 3 is a constant, so you can write outside of the integral sign, here 0 to 1. Now if we simplify this, here we have t square minus 1 over here 1 minus t cube times dt. Then we can write numerator and denominator by using factors. So we have here t square minus 1 and here 1 minus t cube. So okay, I'm going to change this plus sign as minus. Then here we have 1 minus t and t plus 1. Here we have 1 minus t and t square plus t plus 1 here dt. I changed this here minus sign because here 1 minus t, here 1 minus t, and 1 minus t get cancelled. Then we know the definite integral independent of the variable. So instead of t, now we can use x. So minus gamma minus 3 integral from 0 to 1. Now here we have x plus 1 over x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay, then we have to evaluate this integral from 0 to 1. Now here x plus 1, this part we can write as a perfect square. So x plus 1/2 square plus 1 minus 1 over 4, so 3 over 4, and here dx. Okay, then I'm going to take another substitution. X plus 1/2 is equal to u. Then we know dx is equal to du. So we have here minus gamma minus 3. Now we should change the boundaries. Lower limit when x approaches to 0, we know here 1/2. Upper limit x approaches to 1, we have 3/2. Then x we know u minus 1/2, but here plus 1. So we have u plus 1/2 over here we have u square plus 3/4 and dx same as du. Okay, now let's evaluate this integral, and instead of u now again we can use x. So we have minus gamma minus 3. Now we can write, we can separate this integral. So we have minus 3 1/2 to 3/2. Now instead of u we have x, so x over x square plus 3/4 dx. Here again minus 3/2 1/2, here 3/2, and here dx over x square plus 3/4. Well, then here we have minus gamma. To evaluate this integral, we know the derivative of the denominator is equal to 2 times x. So I'm going to write here 2 times x. So we should divide it by 2. So we have minus gamma minus 3/2. Now this integral we know natural log of x square plus 3/4, limit from 1/2 to 3/2. And here we have 3/2, and this one we know arctan. So a we know the square root of 3/2, so 2 over the square root of 3. And here arctan of 2 times x over square root of 3, limit 1/2 to 3/2. Well, then now we can simplify. Minus gamma minus 3/2. Here natural log of, if we plug in upper limit, 3/2, so 9, so 12/4, so 3. Natural log of 3 minus, if we plug in 1/4, natural log of 1, we know 0. Then here these 2 get cancelled, and we have minus square root of 3 arctan of, if we plug in upper limit, here 3/2, 2 get cancelled, 3 over square root of 3. Then we have arctan of square root of 3, we know 5/3, minus, if we plug in 1/2, arctan of 1 over square root of 3, we know 5/6. Well, now if we simplify, minus gamma minus 3/2 natural log of 3, and if we simplify this part, we know 2 times 5/6. So here we have pi over minus pi over 2 times the square root of 3. Okay, this is the value of digamma of 1/3. If you like this type of videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.